chocolate freezer fudge can be found on page 276 of Dr. Agatston's new keto-friendly South Beach diet. There's 6 items. We have organic coconut oil, Himalayan pink salt, cocoa powder, pure vanilla, almond butter, a Lancanto sweetener, and a prepared pan. First, I'm going to mise en place my ingredients. Add in the melted coconut oil. Add in the cocoa powder. Add in the sugar-free sweetener. Pure vanilla. And the sea salt. The last item is the peanut butter. You'll notice that I have the cup wrapped in plastic. This is not just to keep the cup clean, although that is a bonus. It's to ensure that all of the ingredients required for the recipe actually get combined into the recipe. So as you can see, I'm pushing everything out. I'm going to take my hand mixer and combine the ingredients. Make sure that they're all thoroughly mixed. Give it a good stir to make sure everything comes up from the bottom. Now I'm going to take my prepared pan, pour the chocolate mixture into the pan. What you want to do is put this in the freezer. Keep it there for a minimum of 2 hours. If you like your chocolate a little softer, you can actually, after this freezes, allow it to just remain in the refrigerator. I prefer to leave mine in the freezer. This recipe makes 16 bars. Enjoy.